guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm in my car. I'm about to go to do my nails and also other things. Yeah, so I'll take you along as I go. I have a wedding this weekend. My husband's nephew is getting married, so we are going to Bournemouth, which is about a 2.5-hour drive from where we live. And I've got a lot of things to do still, some beauty treatment. I need to pick up my clothes from the tailor as well. So yeah guys, I left it to the last minute, and so I'm a bit busy today, but I thought I'll just vlog, make it a bit more interesting. I'll see you at the next stop. So I did French tips on my own nails because I like to keep my nails and not always use, if I don't use false nails, I tend to try to do shellac on my own nails or do SNS on my own nails. So but this is shellac on my nails now, French tips, and I'm so happy they've grown. My nails are a bit longer. Alright, okay.
Does it take you longer to wear your eye makeup like that? Does it take you long to paint like?
You mean to put it on?
Yeah. It's nice, but...
Yeah, but maybe 30 minutes.
Oh really? 30 minutes?
Yeah.
Oh, so I like it like that, but I never had patience though.
Okay. I've picked up my outfit from the tailor. I'm about to make the 40-minute drive back home now, do the rest of my packing, and then we'll be off. We'll leave at about maybe 5. Guys, we're in Bournemouth now. We're in the hotel, and I'm about to take off my makeup and do my evening routine. So I'm going to start with I'm going to use baby wipes to take this off. Next is the Advanced Night Micro Cleansing Foam from Estee Lauder. I'm going to use this to wash my face, and then I'm going to detox using this mask. So I'm using all Estee Lauder products to do my cleansing.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight.
Next, I apply the 3-minute detox nightwear plus mask from Estee Lauder. I apply that on my face as well and just leave it for 3 minutes. I love this mask. It actually feels really tingly, but at the same time, not in a bad way, just a slight tingling sensation. You know it's working on your skin. And yeah, I'm going to leave it for about 3 minutes, sit down, have a cup of tea, and I'll come back and wash it off. I've also got this fruit nourishing sock pack from Superdrug that contains honey and almond, and I'm going to put this on my feet to get them ready for my day tomorrow. It's going to be a lot of walking around, a little bit of dancing, and a few other things. So yes. I've never used this before, so you're meant to put your feet in it and leave it for 20 minutes, and this will help moisturize the skin. And as I said, it contains honey and almond, so I'm going to do that and see what it's going to be like. That's what it looks like. I found it quite difficult to open. I'm not even sure if I did it right, but yeah, just put it on. And I'll see. Forgot to bring any serum, which is quite surprising considering the fact that I'm doing a serum review on my channel at the moment. But anyway, we're going to use this Oriflame Royal Velvet Repairing Night Cream. I really love this night cream. It's very nice. It feels really nourishing, moisturizing. I've been using it. You can see I've used quite a bit of it. So I'm going to apply some to my face now. Goes in really easily. These guys don't mind the light. I'm in the room and I haven't got any bright light, and so I hope you can see clearly. So that's it, guys. I'm going to bed now, and tomorrow is the big day. Good night.
Make it last forever. Stop in time.